Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Twilio account to the Client Dispute Manager software to start sending out text messages to your clients. Now for you to do that, you just have to go to Company. From the drop down, go to Notification and Automation. And you will be routed to the Manage Notifications and Automation screen. Now from here, just go to SMS with Twilio. And this is where you can input the credentials that can be found on your Twilio account. Now it is best to watch the training videos first under training videos, right here, training video drop down on the setting up Twilio video, so you could properly set up your Twilio account before connecting it with the Client Dispute Manager software, and watch the Twilio default text to know more about how you can set up default message that your clients will receive. Now for you to integrate your Twilio account, you need to completely set up your Twilio account first. Once you have it set up, you can calculate your Twilio account SID, your authentication token, and put in the phone number that you bought. So you can put it on these fields. Once done, just click on Save. And that would now allow you to properly integrate your Twilio account with the Client Dispute Manager software. After that, after saving the credentials, just scroll down and make sure that the text notifications, these two notifications right here, are turned on so that you could start using this feature. So that would complete our quick training tutorial on how you can connect Twilio account in the Dispute Manager software.